Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are fine. You are doing well in mathematics as you are learning a new concept of logarithms. Our today's topic is to find common logarithm of the given real numbers. In this regard, we do the exercise 3.2, question number 1. In this question, we are required to find out the common logarithms of each of the following numbers. In part 1, we are given the number 232.92. It means we are required to find out the logarithm of 232.92. As we are familiar about that thing, there are two ways to find out the logarithm of the given number. One is the use of tables of logarithms, and the other is the use of scientific calculator. We use scientific calculator and find the answer related to the log table. As in this advanced era, the students like to save their time and they try to do their numerical calculation as early as possible. So hence most of you avoid to use the tables of logarithm. But we have to learn how to use these, and that is already discussed in the previous lecture. But now we do the question by using scientific calculator. But as per the requirement of the syllabus, we find the answer as in tables of logarithms. So let's do it. In part 1, we are required to find out logarithm of 232.92, and we are familiar that the tables of logarithm is actually related to the 4 significant digits. So first of all, we have to round off up to 4 significant digits. So that is logarithm of 232.9. The value is reduced to the 4 significant digits 232.9. So hence we are required log 232.9. As we know that the logarithm of any number is equal to the sum of characteristics and Mantissa. So therefore it means we have to find out characteristics of log 232.9 and Mantissa of logarithm 232.9. We use scientific calculator to find out the value of characteristics and Mantissa. That will save a lot of time. When we use a calculator, like we press the function of log, and then the number whose logarithm is required, and that is in that case 232.9. And after pressing log 232.9, we press equal, and we get 10 digits in display, and that is 2.36716948.9. We get the value of log 232.9 as 2.36716948.9. As our calculator displays the 10 digits on its screen, but according to the tables of logarithm, we have to restrict our values up to 4 decimal places. So that will be Mantissa, the decimal part, and that integral part is characteristics. But to reduce this value up to 4 decimal places, we have to use the phenomena of rounding, and according to the rounding, that value will become 0.3672. So hence our characteristics is 2 and our Mantissa is 0.3672. And as log of any real number is equal to characteristics plus Mantissa, by replacing value we have log 232.9 is equal to characteristics is 2 plus 0.3672 we have 2.3672 as the value of logarithm. So this is the simple way to use the scientific calculator and get the value of tables of logarithm. Now we move to the part 2, in which we are given a number 29.326 whose logarithm is required. So again, the thing we do first, that is, we have to restrict that number whose logarithm is required up to 4 significant digits. By rounding, we get 29.33. As this is more than half the fifth digit, so 32 will become 33. And as we know that the logarithm of any number is equal to the sum of characteristics and mantissa, so therefore we have to find characteristics of log 29.33 and mantissa of log 29.33. When we use calculator, like we press the function of log and then press the number whose logarithm is required, and that is 29.33. After pressing log 29.33, we press equal and we get the required result, and that is 1.46731263. As our calculators are of 10-digit display, so therefore we have 10 digits, 1.46731263. We get the value as 1.46731263. Calculator shows the 10 digits in display, and we have to restrict the mantissa up to 4 decimal places, and that is 0.4673. By rounding, all these values are cancelled and we left mantissa as 0.4673, and that integer part is characteristics. So quickly we find the characteristics in mantissa by using scientific calculator. We have characteristics as 1 and mantissa as 0.4673. And as logarithm of any real number is equal to characteristics plus mantissa by replacing values, we have log 29.33 is equal to characteristics is 1, whereas mantissa is 0.4673, and we have the value of log 29.33 is equal to 1.4673. And that's it for the part 2. Now we do part 3 and 4. These parts are a little bit different, as the logarithm of the numbers which are required, these are less than 1. So therefore we have a little bit different technique by using scientific calculator. So you have to learn it carefully, as this needs a little concept behind it to get the same value as in tables of logarithms. So let's do it and learn this technique. In part 3, we are required to find out the log 0.00032, and as we know that logarithm of any real number is equal to the sum of characteristics and mantissa, so it means we have to find out characteristics of log and its mantissa. So we use calculator, like we press the function of log. We press the function of log and then the number whose logarithm is required, and that is 0.00032. After pressing log and the number whose logarithm is required, 0.00032, we press equal. We get the 10-digit display, that is -3.494850022. And we get minus 3.494850022 in the display screen of the calculator. We have to restrict that up to 4 decimal places. By rounding, we get minus 3.4949. As this is half, this is transferred to 8. So 4 8 become 4 9, and these values are eliminated. But here we have a problem. Characteristics as well as Mantissa is also negative. But according to tables of logarithm, Mantissa should always be positive. Therefore, what we do something. We have to add 4 in it. Mean one more digit we have to add. If we have 3, we have to add 4. If we have 2, then we have to add 3. If we have 0, we have to add 1. When we do this, we get a positive Mantissa, that is 0.5051. So we have that Mantissa and the characteristics. The number which is added, that is characteristics, and we write as minus 4 or 4 bar. Remember, the number which is added to make the Mantissa positive, that is written as characteristics minus 4 or 4 bar by using scientific calculator. And we have the positive Mantissa by adding this 0.5051. Now we replace the values. Log 0.00032 is equal to characteristics, that is 4 bar, plus Mantissa is 0.5051, and we have the value of log 0.00032 is equal to 4 bar 0.5051. You should keep in mind that calculator do not understand that 4 bar as it is not fed into it. Now we move to the part 4. It is similar to the part 3, in which we are given a number 0.3206 and we are required to find out the log 0.3206. And as we know that logarithm of any number is equal to the sum of characteristics and Mantissa, therefore we have to find out the characteristics and Mantissa of the log. We use scientific calculator to find out the value of logarithm of 0.3206 like. We press the function of log and the number whose logarithm is required 0.3206. After pressing these, we press equal and we get a 10-digit number in display, that is minus 0.4940364882. And as we get the number on display of the screen, minus 0.4940364882. These are the 10 digits which are displayed on the screen of calculator, and as we have to restrict them up to 4 decimal places, so by rounding we get minus 0.4940 and these digits are removed. And as we know that Mantissa is also negative as well as characteristics, so therefore we have to convert it into positive. For this, if we have 0, so we have to add one more digit, that is 1 in it. And if we add 1 in it, we get what? We get 0.5060. Now we have characteristics, the number which is added to make Mantissa positive, that is characteristics, mean minus 1 or 1 bar, and Mantissa will be, positive Mantissa will be 0.5060 as per logarithm table. When we check this value from logarithm table, there is a little bit variation according to these values. We have the answer over there 0.5059, which is acceptable. That is actually very minor variation, so that is acceptable in answer, so don't worry about that factor. Now we replace the values. Log 0.3206 is equal to characteristics is 1 bar plus Mantissa is 0.5060. We have the value of log 1 bar 0.5060 as similar to the value we find by using log tables. That is all for the question number 1. I hope you have learned efficiently and find it very easy after practice. Practice these sums, and because that will help you a lot in the next exercises. Practice is very essential, very necessary in mathematics. Thank you.